Hello guys, it's Hunter and this is my Uncle Brent, and today we are going to be making a kaleidoscope. Beat that artist who taught me Da Vinci. So a kaleidoscope is an optical instrument usually made of decorative glass mirrors and colors that results in an ever-changing pattern. But today we'll be using an empty paper towel holder, Post-it notes, crowns, scissors, a pencil, and some tape. Okay? So first we're going to take the empty paper towel holder and we're going to take whatever colors you want. And you're just going to color it and decorate it. And while I'm doing this, Uncle Brent's going to show you how to stick the
Post-it notes
together. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I think Hunter told me we take what? 2 Post-it notes?
2 Post-it notes.
And then how do we put them together?
So you use the sticky side. You attach one sticky side to the non-sticky side. Attach another sticky side to another non-sticky side. And that's how you do it.
So sticky sides in,
Mm-hmm.
but on opposite sides, so it creates a smooth side on the outside?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll make a few of them.
Looking at this makes it easy.
Oh yeah. So here's 20.
Let's just
I'll finish that.
Let's just finish this later.
I'll finish that, and you tell them what to do with these.
Okay. So we just use the gray and just finish color.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to use a variety of colors and just use them. You can use any colors you want, and it's okay if you use the same colors twice. So you're just gonna color the paper until all the white spots are done.
So how'd you get this idea?
What?
How'd you get this idea? Did you see Granny's kaleidoscope on the table?
Mm-hmm. And then we decided to make one. Right?
That's very cool.
But when you're like an inventor, kaleidoscopes like these are very hard to make. But these paper ones are easy.
Kid friendly, right?
Yeah, kid friendly.
That's cool. This is the first time you've done something like this, right? Like a YouTube
This
thing?
is the first time we've done a how-to on our channel.
Oh, good.
Good.
Okay. Do we have to color these in?
And if we're going too fast for you, you can just pause the video.
Now, what do we do after this, honey?
So after you color all of your Post-it notes,
And how many do we have? We have about like 20?
yeah, about 20. So you can do more or less. You don't have to do 20. And after this, we're going to cut them out into shapes. You can make whatever shapes you want. We already made a few shapes and we're just coloring them. And you can make the shapes then color them, or you can just color the post-it notes then cut them into shapes. And that's what we're recommending because we think that's easier. But you can do it. Okay? So now let's cut them into shapes. So we're going to take about 2 post-it notes, put them together, then put them into all different shapes.
Like that. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Like an awkward diamond, so they don't need to be perfect, right?
Mm-mm.
Cool.
They don't need to be perfect. You can make them however you want. You can cut off the corners. That's my favorite. Or you can make like letters. I like to make the H.
Can we do a B? That might be hard.
Yeah, these are hard. It's storming, as you may see.
We're in Florida. We're on a little family vacation, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you show them some of the examples we did?
So you can make this is this. You can make an H, or like if you have an H name, or if you have an I name, you can make it an I.
You're good.
Make like a make a triangle, whatever this thing is. Make like an N or a U or half of an E. Okay?
And did you make me a bow tie and a crown?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then what, Hunter?
Then you get your pencil, and you're going to poke a hole a little bit near the top of the thing. And we don't want anyone to get poked, so we're going to use the white side and poke the pencil through that. And then we'll do that. We're going to space them out a little.
So did you say with mirrors and colors it's an ever-changing pattern, so you will never see the same pattern twice?
Mm-mm.
Wow. Because it just changes just a little bit, right?
Mm-hmm. And you have to space them out.
Wow. So I think I'll help you there. And then you can tell them what to do with that. So how are we going to secure the pencil to this?
So we're going to take the paper towel off. And we're going to take a pencil to the paper towel.
So when it's all said and done, does it look something like that?
It should look something like this. So now take the pencil. And we're going to use the tape and tape the pencil to the paper towel.
Okay. So why don't you... Right there.
I'll make this and then you
There?
mm,
Okay. So the pencil. Okay. Okay, now I'll hold it and you wrap it around.
I have to make sure the pencil is secure.
And smart, you put the sharp end down, right?
Mm-hmm. So no one gets hurt.
All right, Hunter.
So now, how to use it is you have to
spin each one of these, right?
It's really cool.
Wow. Good job. So sign off, Tanner.
Okay. Thanks for watching.
See you guys. Good job.